Hey everybody, this is Hacker Inc. and I just hold on, let me check this. Yeah, it's doing full screen. Anyways, yes, Iron Man by Black Sabbath, awesome song. Anyways, this is random, but alright, so I thought of a way to get transparency in Cosmos, meaning that I could get maybe a transparent window, maybe some Aereo-like effects, like from Windows 7 and stuff. This crap you see up here, the status bar, I think I could probably do that in Cosmos. And you're like, Caleb, you can't. No, it's going to be like a very low resolution version, but it will be able to be semi-transparent. Or fully transparent. Or any kind of combination. Because, I mean, I just figured out how. I'm not telling you guys. I'm not trying to be mean. It's just I want to test this out first and, kind of be the one to post a video on it first. And me and my friend Nix1794, let me go to his YouTube channel. Nix1794. Just search Nix1794, guys. Here we go. See? Here it is. His last video was called Chocolate. And yes, he's actually very awesome. And he added me on his awesome channels list. Hey, where does awesome channels list go?
There was an error. I had to remove it.
Oh. There was an error, guys. He had to remove it. I don't remember if you can hear me with Cam Studio. I mean, not Cam Studio, but Camtasia. You couldn't hear me hear voices coming out of my computer on Cam Studio. I don't know if you can hear it on Camtasia. Wait, yes I can, because Mark interrupted one of my earlier videos. Remember that, Next?
Yeah.
Yeah. So anyways, me and Nex are gonna test this out. I'm probably gonna let him do the first video on it. Because he's gonna be the guy who actually codes it right now. The reason why is because I've got other stuff I need to work on, like school and stuff, before I could even work on Cosmos again, because I'm kind of in trouble because of my grades. So I mean, yeah. I like how Camtasia has this nice little timer at the bottom that gives me how many minutes I've used up instead of how many seconds. I mean, seriously, Cam Studio was like, you have 500 seconds used up, and I'm like, how is that in minutes? I mean, a lot of my videos, earlier videos, you'll see me going like, I don't know how many minutes I've been in this amount of seconds, but I'm gonna guess it's 10. So I'm signing off this video, or whatever. So yeah. Whenever I see that high amount of seconds, I'm like, oh crap, please don't tell me it's over 10 minutes. Yeah, the new limit's 15, so I'm going to be talking for about 15 minutes now. Anyways, guys, hold on. Where is Acer Crystal Eye webcam? Here we go. Acer Crystal Eye webcam. Check this out, guys. Look at that. Hold on. Hacker Inc. Hacker Inc. With an ASCII weed logo. See? ASCII weed logo. Isn't that epic, man? Hold on, let me take off my glasses. Isn't that epic? Oh my god. So, yeah. Anyways. Have y'all heard of this new thing called Carbon? It's a small operating system put together by CSU23. You know, the guy I hate. The one that all of y'all are pissed at, the one I'm pissed at, the one everybody hates, that guy, Clarence. You know, Forward Corp, Forward Inc., Kite Inc., Kite Corp. They went through a lot of name changes. I mean, I went to their site one day, it's Ford Corp. Next day, Ford Inc. I'm not kidding. Next day, Kite Inc. Next day, Kite Computers Inc. I'm serious. Next day, Kite. Next day, Jayu. Next day, Jayu Systems. I'm not kidding you guys. It's like every day or every other day it would be a name change, and they finally got Jayu Systems. Oh, thank God. Please let them just stay at Jayu Systems, because they are using up every TK thing there is. I mean, like, they've got like 7 different TK addresses, all completely different and unrelated. that links them all to one site. I mean, seriously, like, gross overuse of the TK service, you know, like something.tk. I don't like the idea of using that. I'm actually gonna get another TK, web address thing, web domain. Yeah, I'm gonna get a couple more. I need to think of what to talk about. Oh yeah, I forgot. Carbon is an open source operating system they're putting together. They're trying to make like a Linux. Now, before y'all all head off and go off to Carbon, there's a couple things I need to say. Xcube's first update was better than Carbon is currently. Xcube right now is better than what Carbon is currently. Xcube, if it was made open source, would be a much better Linux-suited system than Carbon is. I'm not ridiculing them. I mean, it's a great design to get an open source system. But the thing is, it's open source, but you can't tell if people use your code because Cosmos itself is an open source. So I could take some of Carbon's code, and I think I could pretty much add it into my stuff, and as long as it's like under the hood, or like certain types of graphics, I could get away with stealing their code. In fact, just to prove that, I'm going to take all their code tonight and I'm going to add it in a separate code file in Dude. So Dude will have all of their code and legally they can do nothing about it. Just to prove a point. That open source currently, unless Cosmos goes open source, like fully like GPL stuff, that open source systems don't really work that well. I mean, stuff like AOS, when, you know, nobody could understand it, was great. I mean, yeah, I mean, nobody tried to, like, take AOS and claim it's their own, but, I mean, if I put Dude open source, everyone's gonna take a piece of it and call it, and say that they made it. I mean, you know people are gonna do that.
Yeah.
And that's the reason why Dude is an open source. But yeah, I mean, problems like that is the reason why open source systems, I mean, on Linux, it's under GPL. Anything under GPL rules, because GPL makes you make it open source. I mean, Cosmos really isn't under GPL, so anything open source under Cosmos is pretty much going to deter kind of downwards. That's why I have actually voted on Carbon OS's poll page, whether it should be open source or closed source. I put closed source. I'm actually helping them out. That's how bad they are screwing up. They are screwing up really bad, and I'm having to help them out even though I hate their guts, just so I can have some competition. Yeah. Holy crap, 8 minutes. I'm gonna see if I can go to like 14 minutes and 59 seconds or something. Oh, I'm getting tired. So let's see here. Comment below if you have anything you want me to do a video on. I've gotten a couple more Linux distributions that I'm going to do some reviews of, and with Cam Studio, and Skype and stuff, I can actually like have other people join in on the stuff and talk to me about Linux. So I mean, add me on Skype, CMRDUD3. Add me on Skype if you want to talk or want to be in one of my videos. My videos are seen by hundreds of people every day, so yeah, it's a great way to get your thing, whatever you want to do, your program or your project, known to developers. I mean, not developers, but users of the Cosmos kernel. Yes, that was a little advertisement there. The reason why is because I'm thinking about doing a lot more videos, but I have no clue on what to do them on. I mean, I know Dude, but Dude has made no significant progress since my last video, except for the fact that I added one icon and then later removed it. I'll tell you guys about that later. It was an epic fail, but I tried and it almost worked. It almost worked, but there's this one bug I could not figure out. Oh yeah, it's got a tutorial and a new mascot, by the way. It's named Joe. J-O-3. You know, like Dude is DUD3. And it's a little tutorial. It's a little guy that's at the bottom of the screen who helps you out with this little tutorial at the beginning of Dude. I will upload a video of that later. But my camcorder is kind of broken. I mean, not broken, but dead. Its battery died like a couple seconds ago. Actually, 9 minutes ago. Because that's why I'm doing this video on my computer. Yes, guys, I am sick. Uh-oh. Got a new message. Okay, Nick will be right back. Nick, put me on mute or something if your parents come in the room or something. You know, because I mean your parents are kind of uptight or whatever you told me. I think it was you that told me that. I forget, but somebody told me their parents were like uptight. I can't remember who it was. I seriously think it was Nick. Oh crap. But yeah, add me on Skype if you want to be in one of my videos or we want to help out on the development team. You know, stuff like that. New site, Hackers Inc. Hackers Inc. HACK3RSINC WEBS.com. hackersinc.webs.com. It's got a blog. It's got HTML crap written in there. It's got some little apps and stuff for y'all. You can add people as friends up there. It's pretty cool. It was made in webs, I admit it, but I try to use as much coding as I possibly can. If only someone could help me find a way to actually use an entirely coded. Uh-oh. Offline. Oh, 11 minutes, yay! Let's try to get it to 15. Yes, this is actually my little test of YouTube's new, value on how long they want their videos to be. It's no longer 10, it's now 15, people. So like all those videos of 10 minutes of this guy falling downstairs will now be 15 minutes of this guy falling downstairs and crap like that. Oh. Hi, Nick, where'd you go?
The internet connection thing.
Ah.
It does every day.
Ah. Okay, people, I am at 12 minutes and 30 seconds. I'm trying to get it to 15. Okay, so what to talk about now? Oh yeah, ParaOS is at nix1794 .co.nr. ParaOS is not open source. I got a couple comments about how is ParaOS open source? No, it's basically like Dude. In fact, it's actually based off Dude, which is based off Xsource. Dude is kind of branching out. There's a lot of operating systems that use Dude code nowadays. Because, I mean, I just hand it out to random people. No, I'm actually serious. If I trust you, I will trust you with, like, Dude code. And, I mean, don't try to manipulate that. I know when people are just trying to get code, but... I mean, for example, there are some times when I can't tell. But, I mean, you know what I mean, right? There are some people I trust, like Nick. I trust Nick. He keeps calling me because his internet connection is going out. Answer. But yeah, there's certain people I actually trust, and when I trust you, I hand you code, and I expect you to keep it there. Not like Mark did and try to make his own OS with it. That was just kind of, as Nick said, mean. And that's not right. And to be honest, that's the best words you can actually put it in. That's just not right. Anyways, I have been rambling on for 13 minutes now. Actually, 14. Okay, well, this has been close enough to 15. You know what, screw it. You guys deserve 15 minutes of me randomly talking. I think that's more of enough of a treat for you guys. Think of it as your early Halloween present, or your early Christmas present, or your early birthday present. Unless your birthday is today or yesterday, then in case, just consider it a birthday present. Yes, I am kind of narcissistic. I'm sorry. I am kind of narcissistic. I think I just found a tick on my head. That was random. Oh, guys, guess what? I heard this comment on the Iron Man song page. It's hilarious. It goes like this. I am. Wait, before I gotta say this, I just gotta say. Oh crap, we're almost at 15 minutes. Alright, well, I will post another video later. Talk to you guys later. See ya.